the RV life, a nightmare for those of us who hate fresh air, stunning scenery, and an overwhelming sense of freedom and adventure. Who needs that, right? Firstly, the fresh air. Honestly, it's just too clean and invigorating. What happened to the good old days of smoggy city air? That's just what the doctor ordered. Secondly, the views. Majestic mountains, serene lakes, picturesque sunsets. They're just too much. A concrete jungle is the only scenery for me. Then there's the unbearable freedom and adventure. Exploring new places, trying new things, making unforgettable memories. It's all just so tiresome. And let's not forget the torturous community of RVers. A friendly, supportive community of like-minded individuals who share a love for travel and adventure. No, thank you. Lastly, the RV itself. A home away from home, with all the comforts one could ask for. Who needs that when you can have a cramped hotel room instead? These are the reasons why the RV life isn't for me. If you're the sort of person who enjoys breathtaking views, unforgettable experiences, and a sense of freedom and adventure, then maybe the RV life is for you. But for those of us who prefer the mundane and predictable, we'll stick to our city lives. This has been another Mojo review, so thanks for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this sarcastic review, give us a like and subscribe for more.